With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is named the following: the kind of microscope that consists of a single biconvex lens. The microscope which consists of a single biconvex lens is called as a simple microscope. It is called as a simple microscope, which was being invented by a Dutch scientist. It was being invented by Dutch scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Antony van Leeuwenhoek. It's a Dutch scientist, Leeuwenhoek, who discovered this simple microscope. It is used to see the magnified image of an object. It is used to see magnified image of an object, and it consists of a single biconvex lens. It consists of single biconvex lens. Here we will see the biconvex lens structure of this simple microscope also. Then we will better understand how it is being used to see the magnified image. As the figure shows, it's a very simple and a very simplified structure of a simple microscope. It's a very simplified structure, so that you will get the better idea of how this microscope work with the help of a single biconvex lens. So here they are showing the eye or eye lens is present, through which the image of the magnified image of object which is placed on the stage is being seen. And in this eye lens, it consists of a biconvex lens. Biconvex lens is present. Now it is the main part of the cell or main part of the microscope, because it is used to produce the main part of the microscope. It is used to produce a virtual, erect, and enlarged image of the object, when placed in a exact focal length. When it is placed within focal length, focal length means it is placed in that length where the light is coming in a particular platform. Here we can say that at particular place it is being placed, and when the light is coming through the mirror, so it can it is able to produce a virtual, erect, and enlarged image. So this is the main purpose and the main part of the simple microscope. This lens is also used as a single reading glass or the magnifying lens. It is simply as a without other parts of the microscope. It is also used as a reading glass or the magnifying glass. If you see, many scientists, they are holding a single glass type structure through which they are just seeing the microscopic object. These are simple glass like structure through which they are seeing something like that. This kind of structure they are being holding. So this is a simple nothing. This is a simple biconvex lens which is used for reading or magnifying the objects. And how it does that? By forming virtually erect and enlarged image of the object. So in the question they simply asked the kind of microscope that consists of single biconvex lens. So we can say that our answer is the simple microscope. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.